Welcome to SCADA Cloud from ModbusSCADA.com. In the next 3 minutes, I'll take you from a blank system to a live HMI screen, connecting a real Modbus device, adding tags, and designing an operator display. We start by signing in. This is the system dashboard. Tags loaded, active alarms, and connected devices at a glance, with live sparklines, system health, device diagnostics, and a real-time communication monitor. First, let's connect a device. Open Devices and click Add Device. Give it an ID and a name. Enter the IP address and port of your PLC or gateway, and set the unit ID. Click Test Connection. The device responds in milliseconds. Create, and we're online. Modbus TCP, Modbus RTU, OPC UA, and MQTT are all supported. Next, data points. In the tag browser, click Add Tag. Name the tag, point it at our device, choose the register type and address, and pick a data type. Create, and within seconds the live value arrives from the real device, pulled automatically. Now the fun part, the HMI Designer. The widget library is organized like a real asset library. Process equipment, pipes, instrumentation, control elements, and displays. Just drag a tank, a valve, a pump, a gauge, a start button, and a status lamp onto the canvas. Every widget is configurable. Select the gauge, and in the Properties panel bind it to our tag. Labels, ranges, colors, everything is editable. Switch to Run mode, and the screen comes alive. The gauge shows the live value straight from the device. This is the operator view. Save the screen with a name. Screens are stored in your account and follow you to any browser. You can also export them as JSON files. Alarm management is built in. Critical, warning, and info severities, acknowledge and shelve workflows, and a full alarm history. The trend viewer plots any tag in real time. Add a tag, choose your time window, and get current, minimum, maximum, and average with CSV export for analysis. That's how easy it is. Connect, tag, design, and run. Download the free 30-day trial at ModbusSCADA.com. The bundle includes both Modbus Simulator and SCADA Desktop. See you in the next one.